Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Tech Excellence 360. These tutorials are based on non-Mudalvan skill development program. I hope you all are learning and enjoying through my videos. In this video, we will see how we can use the object of the library named crane in our simulation model. We start Plant Simulation and click Manage Library. On the tab Libraries, select Standard Libraries free of charge and select the checkbox in front of crane. Click OK. This will add the crane library to our class library. We insert a source object, 3 stations and a drain object. We then select the multiple crane on the tab Crane in the toolbox. This opens a dialog for inserting a length-oriented object. We insert the crane so that 2 of the stations is covered by the crane. If you want to change the direction of the crane, open the context menu and select Show Manipulators. We then can pick one of the manipulators. Moving the manipulator changes the direction and the length of the crane. Open the dialog of the multi-portal crane by double-clicking the reel or the portal of the crane. We define the width of the runway as 7 meters. On the tab Portal, we set the width of the portal to 10 meters and the overhang to 3 meters. Click OK to close the dialog. Make sure that the portal can reaches to all 3 stations. We insert a method object and name the method to onExit. Select the method, drag it over the station and drop it there. This will define the method as the exit control of the station. We also assign the method as the exit control of the station 1. We open the method by double-clicking its icon. In the first line of the source code, we want to access the portal of the multi-portal crane. In the second line, we wait until the portal is in the state idle and can accept new commands. In the third line, we order the portal to transfer the part from the current station to station 2. The current station is represented by a question mark. We press F7 to apply the modification of the source curve of the method and close it. We open the event controller by double-clicking its icon Check real time to run the simulation in real time multiplied by 10. That's the end of our topic about the multi-portal crane. To gain the perfection, keep practicing and experimenting with different values. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel.